What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, John & Drinks. Saan tuturuan kayo ng tips and tutorials on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar. So if you're new to this channel, please click the like and subscribe button and let's make some cocktails guys. Make some cocktails. For today, gagawa tayo ng Piña Colada guys. Piña Colada. Piña Colada. Piña Colada. Piña Colada. Maraming ways para gumawa ng piña colada guys. Pwedeng shaken, pwedeng frozen, pwedeng blended din. Pero for today, ang gagawin natin ay yung shaken lang kasi shaker lang ang meron tayo. Shaker lang. Shaker lang. Shaker lang. Ang basong kailangan natin guys is highball glass or tall glass guys. Kahit anong mataas sa baso, pwede nyo nang gamitin yun for the cocktail. First ingredient is sugar syrup. For sugar syrup, lagyan natin ng 10 ml. And next is pineapple juice guys. For pineapple juice, kahit anong klaseng juice pwede nyo gamitin. Fresh pineapple or can or yung nasa box, pwede nyo siyang gamitin guys, kahit anong pineapple. So ilalagay natin is 90 ml. Next is coconut milk. For coconut milk, pwede kayong gumamit lang ng coconut water or coconut milk, yung mga naka-box lang. Kahit anong brand pwede nyo gamitin. And check nyo na lang or tikman nyo muna bago nyo ilagay sa shaker kung gaano katamis para mabalance nyo yung ilalagay yung sugar syrup guys. Ilalagay natin is 1 ounce. And of course, is alcohol. So, ang gagamitin nating alcohol is white rum. So, ito is from Thailand. So, sa atin, pwede kayong gumamit ng Tanduay or kahit Bacardi. Or ilalagay ko na lang guys sa description below yung alcohol na mga pwede yung gamitin na local lang at yung recipe ng cocktail na to guys. So, ilalagay natin is 2 ounce. So, all ingredients are in the shaker guys. Let's put some ice and let's shake our cocktail. Shake, shake, shake. Put some ice in our tall glass. Let's strain our cocktail to the glass. Put some straw. And bigyan natin ng mint leaves guys. Mint leaves. And lagyan natin ng pineapple chips. There you go guys, Piña Colada. Tikman natin. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful and if you want to see more videos on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and see you in the next video guys. Cheers!